Here's a quick video to show you how to replace the taillight housing on a 2001 Honda Odyssey. Now, as you can see here, the taillight housing is completely busted. It's literally completely broken to the point where it's dangerous and you could probably get pulled over for this. But luckily the bulbs aren't broken at all. The bulbs still work. This one's actually shielded by this little plastic piece, but this one isn't, so someone can easily just snatch it out and just steal my bulb. Now I'm going to be replacing it with a nice, better one, new to me version. I'm going to be replacing it with this one right here. I got it for like 21 bucks at a junkyard, my local junkyard. I got it there, and we're going to be replacing it with this one. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start by removing these screws. So there's one right there, and there's another one right there. Now that screw doesn't match that one. So I also took off the screws from the tail light. I took both screws, so we're going to be replacing it with new ones. So let's get started. So you could use a flathead screwdriver. Well, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver because you're going to need to pry this thing open. But first we're going to do is we're going to take out these screws here. So I'm just going to carefully remove it. It looks like I already lost one screw, but it doesn't matter because I have the replacements. And then we'll take this one out too. This one came out much easier. Okay, so now we're gonna take the taillight, and this should just come off like that because usually you'd pry it back here, but since I can just take it off easily, we'll just take it off. And then we're gonna take out the bulbs. So grab the bulb, socket, twist it counterclockwise, and then just take the bulb out. Carefully removing it. Do the same thing for the turn signal bulb. Carefully remove it. And this taillight can just go away, because we're going to be replacing it with this nice new one. So we're going to go ahead and position it right here. And we're going to start by putting in the bulbs back in. And the bulb fell in the socket. I'm going to take that out real quick. So we're going to try this again. We're going to try to put the bulb back in without dropping it inside the assembly. So we're going to carefully put the bulb in. Try to record it. Carefully put it in. Once it's in all the way, lock it into place by twisting it clockwise. We're going to do the same thing for the turn signal. Push it in and then twist it counterclockwise, and it locks into place. Now, since this tail light is a little bit different than the stock one right there, I'm going to first start by screwing it in, and then we're going to lastly push in this little pin thing here. Don't know if you can see it, but that little, you probably can't see it, but this little white pin, you see that white pin right there? That right here, we're gonna do that part last. So we're gonna start by screwing it in. So we'll get the new screws. Go ahead and get it in by hand, and then just tighten it down. There's one. And this one has the cover in it too, which is good. The top cover is missing, but it doesn't matter. And we'll screw this one in too. Good. Push this cover to lock it. And then the last part, we're gonna get this clip in. So as I said earlier, this little white piece has to go in a hole. There's a little hole in there. I don't know if you can see that hole. It's this hole right there. Just gonna carefully push that up until the little white piece goes in. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and push the taillight all the way in. Beautiful. And now let's give it a quick test to see if the bulbs and the taillight assembly looks better than before. And would you look at that? That looks nice and better. Can't really see the brake light, but as you can see, it is on. That looks nice and better, as well as the other one there. But that's pretty much how you replace the taillight on a 2001 Honda Odyssey. This works from 1999 to 2004. So give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.